Good morning to everyone. That day we learned about globes and maps. So globes are of two types, I told you, that is political globes and physical globes. Political globe shows what? The states, countries, continents, okay, means the places. Different places are shown in the political globes. And in physical globes, what is shown? The mountains, plains, plateaus, trees, forests are shown in physical globes. Physical means the physical features of the earth, and political means the states, countries and all. Okay, so we learned about globes. Then next is map. So maps are of three types. One is physical or relief map. Physical means the mountains, relief means the height of the mountain. Okay, so height, lower height, greater height, so all these types of things are learned in physical maps. Okay, the mountains, plateaus, land, oceans are learned in physical maps. And in political map show different countries, states, cities, towns and villages. So all these things you must to remember, you need to remember. Okay, then thematic maps are based on specific themes. They provide specific information like roads, railways, networks, social distribution of forest industries, rainfall, etc. Okay, means they show railway networks, then distribution of forest, industries, rainfall, etc. So little bit of different things are shown in thematic maps. Okay, and you know about atlas? A collection of maps in a book form is known as atlas. Atlas is a book. Okay, it is a book. In that book you will find different kinds of maps, world maps you will see on that atlas book. Then earlier maps were drawn by hand on clay tables, metal plates, animal skins, cloth pieces, etc. But nowadays people draw maps on paper. Yes or no? So this is how maps are drawn. Then next comes how to read maps. How to read maps? At first a title will be given here. Title, you can see title. The title of a map tells us what it is about. It tells us whether the map is a physical or map of India, a road map of Chandigarh, a map about annual rainfall in India. So here it is written that it is a annual rainfall map of India. Yes or no? So this is the title. Then next comes the scale. You can see here scale is given under 20 centimeter. Okay, this is a scale. Under 20 centimeter means this color, brown color you can see. Brown color means in these places rainfall occurs below 20 centimeter, means not high. Over 400 centimeter means very high rainfall occurs in these areas. In these areas and in this part of India heavy rainfall occurs. So this is a scale. Okay, this is a scale. Also you can say this is a statement. Okay, and representative fraction means I will tell you. Suppose here in the map 1 centimeter is written. Okay, 1 centimeter means 1 centimeter by 10,000 kilometer. Okay, means in here if you will see in this map you will see that 1 centimeter means in actual it will be 10,000 kilometer. Okay, this place is not so small. Yes or no? And we cannot draw 10,000 kilometer in this map. Yes or no? Can you draw 10,000 kilometer here? No, we cannot draw 10,000 kilometer. And that 10,000 kilometer will be represented by how it will be represented? It will represent in form of small part, that is in 1 centimeter, 2 centimeter, and it will be written like this. 1 centimeter is equal to 10 it is 1 centimeter is equal to 10 kilometer. Okay, and this type it will be written on the maps. That is known as representative fraction. Now by linear scale, this is a linear scale. You can see this, and this type of scale you will see on different kind of maps. Understood? Map, length of the road, length of the river, etc. is done with the help of a string. With the help of a string, the portion is shown. Okay, now next is direction. There are 4 cardinal points or main directions, namely north, south, south, east and west. Between them lie 4 intermediate directions, namely north, east, northwest, southeast, southwest. You can see this one, this meter. This part is what? North, south, east, west. Remember this. It will be very much useful to you, and you will get in the later periods also about, you will have to know about north, south, east and west. Okay, so remember this one, north, south, east, west. Okay, so this part is direct part is north, and the down part is south. And what about the side parts? This part will be known as northwest part. Okay, the middle part will be known as, means if you are standing here, then where you are standing, you will say I am standing in northwest, in the middle. Yes or no? In the middle means in the northwest. If you will stand here, then you will say I am standing in the north. If you will stand here, then you will say I am standing in the south. But if you stand, okay, if you will stand in here, then you will say you are standing in east. But if you will stand in the middle, then what you will say? Or on little side, then what you will say? You will say south east. Okay, middle portions will be known as will be added by these two. Northeast, Assam is, where is Assam located? Here Assam is located, yes or no? In India map, if you will see, Assam is located here in the middle. That's why Assam is said to be in northeastern part of India. Okay, so all these things are very much important, so please pay attention and listen to the videos. Don't ignore the videos. Okay, map have a key or index the bottom left side. Conventional symbols. So you can see this type of things you will see in different kind of maps, and they are known as conventional symbols. Okay, this is known as key or index. It will be known as key or index. Okay, this is known as key or index. Then next, sketch and plan. A sketch is a rough map drawn without a scale. It does not give accurate information. It only conveys a rough idea of the place. Directions and distances are shown in sketches, but no scale is used. So sketch map means where there will be no scale. Scale means you got here scale. You got or not? Here there will be no scale. Okay, means a rough diagram will be given on sketch map. And plan maps means a plan is a large scale map of a small area. It will be a big map of small area. And sketch map means it will cover a huge distance, it will cover a big distance, and it will be given in a small paper. It will be drawn in a small paper. That is a sketch map. And plan maps means where a small area or small village will be shown on the map, and each part of the village will be written on the map. Okay, understood? So this is about sketch and plan. So today we finished the chapter. You try to do this, fill in the blanks. Okay, I am showing you here. I am giving you here. See what I have written. See carefully. This one, these things. Write it down. Okay. And this one, write it down in your copy. Tomorrow I will give you the question answers, and after this the lesson will be completed. The lesson will be completed after giving the question answers. Okay, so write it down in your copy or book. These things you write in your book. Okay, this you can mark on your book. The question answers you write in your school copy. Okay, so this is all for today. Thank you.